me. Up and down. Up. Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and today we're in the world of Bratz. Rock Angels. This is the Sasha doll, and this doll I've actually been waiting for some time now. So you could get Sasha, Roxy, Chloe, Yasmin, and G. I did get her from the Target app, and currently all 5 of these girls are available. We are back and we have Sasha out of her packaging. So Sasha comes with some really cool accessories. She comes with this little QR code thing, and I believe if you guys scan this, it'll take you to the Bratz Rockstar link, and I did use it to get some of the threading out of her hair, and it works pretty nicely. She comes with a secondary look, which we will be trying on: shades, her Rockstar shirt, her Rockstar skirt, her cell phone. She comes with a choker, a necklace, and a changeable earrings. Nice. Comes with a mic and stand, because believe it or not, this is a music themed doll, so she does come with the mic and stand. And she comes with her own Rock Angelz logo stand. So this is really cute. So the doll can actually stand on here. So at the bottom of her shoes, you just press her down like this. And now you have her on her Rockstar stand. Now looking at Sasha's face sculpt, it is beautiful. I remember hearing earlier in the year, so many people were complaining about their face sculpts. And then I later learned that MGA reproed a lot of these dolls, so they actually gave them different screenings, and they kind of upped the quality control a little bit. So I think we got a good screening. You can see she has that honey brown hair, and in the back it is honey blonde. It starts off as a whiter blonde leading down to a more golden blonde, as you guys can see there. Kind of reminds me of a foxtail, the coloring a little bit. Her eye makeup is glitterati, as you can see all around her eyes. Her eyes are green mixed with brown. Her lip is red with a red outline. She also has on these silver hoops. At the top, she does have on her hat, which is still pinned. As you guys can see, it's still pinned down. But the hat is red and black, and on the front, it does have these gray dots. They're just gray dots, but they're supposed to replicate like diamonds. So this is her jacket. It's a faux leather. It's black, red with the ribbon going through it on the sides and the wrist. She does have a buckle in front, and underneath you can see she is wearing a shirt, and it looks like it does say something on it. So this is what the shirt looks like underneath. So it has some roses and some thorns going through. You can see that Sasha does have her belly button pierced with a diamond inside the navel. She is wearing a belt. She has on these jeans, and they are blue and red. They have the silver studs with the gold trim going around to her boots, which are these red and black boots. Her guitar around her waist is black and red, and as you can see, it hangs around her neck and shoulders. And then on this side, you can see she does have on a bracelet. So these dolls do retail for $32, but recently Target had a sale. It was buy one, get one 50% off, I believe. So a lot of people took advantage of that. And I just think this Sasha is so pretty, guys. Like, she's so adorable. And as far as her articulation goes, she has head articulation. And of course, MGA has recently been incorporating the new tilt features all across the board. So now she actually can tilt. She has shoulders, and her arm is just gummy. It's no real articulation in the arms. So head, shoulders, and then hips. But she does have the bend and snap knee. So if you bend it, it does bend like that. So not too much in the articulation department, but these are reproduction dolls celebrating the 25 years of Bratz. These are the reproduction dolls celebrating the 25th years of the Bratz collection. So for all those nostalgic fans that were really big fans of Bratz Rockstars, this is basically for us. I'm a huge fan of them, mostly because I didn't get to collect them before. So I'm really excited that I have another opportunity to collect some of the girls from the past. And I love this outfit. I can't wait to see how she looks in this one. So I'm going to change her out, and we're going to come right back. This is what Sasha is given in her in-between look. So this is in between her first and secondary look. I'm still dressing her now, but her hair is so beautiful. I'm loving these highlights and lowlights that they have through and through. All right, so we are back, and I have her in her secondary look, but I didn't use all her secondary pieces. So I'm gonna show you guys the rest. She came with this little black square. This could be like a little bracelet, so I'll put that on. She also came with this old school flip phone. Team turn up, yes. And it looks like it has a fingerprint activator on there. Not as old school as I thought. She also comes with these secondary red earrings. They are very tiny and they are falling apart. This, and I believe this is supposed to be like a fingernail polish thing, nail polish thing. Yeah, I think so. And here is Sasha in her secondary look, and as you can see, I featured some looks from her, some pieces from her first look, which include the shoes and the belt, and everything else is of the secondary look. This is a look at her hair. You can see that I did take her hat off, so this is what she's featuring in the back. This is what she looks like with her shades on. Definitely giving me Rockstar Diva. Let's put some type of earring on her. I wasn't really feeling the red ones, plus every time I tried to put them on, they started to fall apart. They're supposed to be like dangles, but they're not really holding up to the test of times. So I don't think that was such a good choice, MGA. But I'm loving the quality of her t-shirt, and her faux leather skirt does have these sparkly features, but they don't seem to be shedding, so you don't have to worry about shed. But overall, I think it's a cute look. Which look do I prefer more, this one or more so the first look? Well, I think it's things and pieces we can incorporate in both to kind of like come up with our own looks. So maybe she just finished performing, so the first look was her performance look. This could be her after party look, and once she's finished partying, who's to say that she can't add her jacket to this look? And even after adding her jacket to it, now it gives this a completely different look. Now she looks like Night Rider Sasha, like she's about to hop on the back of a bike and just roll through the town. And for those of you who are curious, Sasha's mic is removable. So if you wanted to separate a mic, and this is a closer look at her stand. For those of you who maybe wanted another closer look at the stand, I thought by it having these ridges it will be adjustable, but the stand is not adjustable. It just gives the look of, which isn't anything wrong with that. But are you interested in the Bratz Rockstar series? Do you think you're gonna collect any of the girls? Let me know by leaving me a comment below. Did you collect them in the past, and do you see this as your second opportunity to collect them in the future? Yeah, Sasha is rocking her Callie Storm doll lightning bolt. Yeah, Sasha is a fan of Callie Storm. I want to thank you guys for watching today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. And remember this, we will see you on our next video. Bye! Me and Sasha are gonna rock out. Come on, Sasha, let's go! Stepping through in the party, don't stop. Stepping through in the party, don't stop till the casket drop, yeah. Until the casket drop, yeah. Ooh, coming through in the party, don't stop. Coming through in a cute crop top, and the party don't stop until them casket drops. Ooh, coming through, me and you, looking wild. It's us two, and we grinding, going ooh. Slow winding. Look around, all eyes on us. Look around, you know you wanna, you wanna, all night until it's a rodeo show, Oh, now back that thing, that rodeo show. It's a rodeo show.